Hi students, good morning. How are you? Today we are going to see the exercise of lesson 1. Lesson 1 is completed. I hope you have understood the lesson. Today we will see the book exercises of lesson 1. Take page number 82. I hope you have your books. If you have your books, take page number 82. Let's move from the choose the correct option. A day in Mars is called as what? A day in Mars is called Sol. Students, write Sol in your book. The next is, dash is called the red planet. Can you guess? Mars is called the red planet. The first answer is Sol. The second fill-up answer is Mars. The third chooses our planet is called the Earth. Our planet is called the Earth. Fourth choose, we get water by burning fuels. We get water by burning fuels. The dash are trying to terraform Mars. The astronomer are trying to terraform Mars. The dash are trying to terraform Mars. The astronomer are trying to terraform Mars. I will repeat. Watch carefully. A day in Mars is called Sol. Dash is called the red planet. Mars is called the red planet. Our planet is called the Earth. We get water by burning fuels. The dash are trying to terraform Mars. The astronomer are trying to terraform Mars. Shall we move to the fill in the blanks? The first, the man destroyed Earth. The man destroyed Earth. See the spelling? E-A-R-T-H. Earth. The second fill-ups, in the earth we get water from rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. In Mars, dash earth days make a year? Did you have a guess? In Mars, 687 Earth days make a year. In Mars, 687 Earth days make a year. You don't need dash and dash in the earth. You don't need a space should. I will write here as there is no space. Space. P-S-P-A-S-C. Space should. S-U-I-T. Should. Space should. And a oxygen cylinder. Oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N. Oxygen cylinder. S-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Oxygen cylinder in the earth. You don't need space chute and oxygen cylinder in the earth. Fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not natural. They are artificial. So let's see once again. The man destroyed earth. In the earth we get water from rain. In Mars, 687 earth days make a year. You don't need a space chute and oxygen cylinder in the earth. Fruits, vegetables and water in the Mars are not natural. Okay students, now let us, in the next class I will give the answers for these questions. Today we will see only the book exercise. Today we will see about compound words. Compound words means what? Compound words means it is a word that is made up of two words. For example, take this, light is one word and house is one word. When we add these two words, we get a main word. What is the lighthouse? That is called this compound words. Light plus house, lighthouse. When we combine light and house, we will get a new word with a different meaning. That is called as compound words. What is a compound word? When we combine two words. For example, take light and house. Light is a one word and house is in another word. when we combine these two words, light plus house, we get lighthouse. We get a new word. We get a new word that is called as compound words. Light plus house, lighthouse. This is a mail. Mail plus box, mailbox. Mail plus box, mailbox. Now let us fill these pictures. Here you can see a watch and here is a man, and watch plus man, combine these two words, you get watchman. Next, rain, you can see rain, and this is bow. When you combine these two words, you get rainbow. The next word is star. This is a star and this is a fish. When you combine these two words, you get a new word. What is the starfish? This is foot and this is ball. When you combine these two words, you get football. Now we are going to do the next activity. Use the clues to complete the compound words. Here they have given one, news plus paper, newspaper. See the second one, this is wheel. They have given wheel, and what is this? Here there is a wheel, and what is the one more object you can see? You can see a chair. So wheel plus chair is equal to wheelchair. When you combine wheel and chair, you get a new word, you get a new compound word, that is wheelchair. Next, you can see basket. Basket. And here they have given, what is this? This is a ball. When basket plus ball is combined, you get basketball. So students, you will write the answers in your book. Okay, wheel plus chair, wheelchair. Basket plus ball, basketball. Okay students, we will see the remaining activities in the next class. For today's homework, you will complete these words and try to learn the spelling of these words. You will write these fill-ups in your classwork note and write each for 3 times. Thank you.